And we kick off at Jowai ground in another match day of the Meghalaya State League. It's Rymbai taking on Rangdajied United as both of them try to put a run in towards that top spot. And this is a big opportunity and they've started. What a way to begin that game. Rangdajied United have shown how good they are in attack, and before a Rymbai player can even touch the ball, Osterwell for Lingdo, and that must be the quickest goal in the history of the Meghalaya State League. And if it isn't, then I'm eager to see which one was quicker. What a brilliant move. And I've said that Rangdajied did not touch the ball. Absolutely electric stuff from Rangdajied United. And you know it's a special move before the commentator even gets his first words in after kickoff. And the goal is scored so quickly, you have to stop what you're thinking about and stop what you're saying and admire the brilliance of Rangdajied United and how they can so easily cut through defenses. Here's Kurba, loves to move forward, looking for the options. Now plays it wide. Lamurong plays it through for the goal scorer, Osterwell. And they have the players who turn up and deliver when required. Rangdajied United all about that fluid attacking football which everybody loves to watch. Apologies for the interruption. As Rymbai and Rangdajied are still battling it out, and Rangdajied moving into the final few minutes of this first half, still looking for a second goal. Rymbai haven't had too many chances. Bare with a really good one, but he couldn't make the most of it. Another ball played in now by Rangdajied, doesn't work. Take a look at the highlights. That was the goal by Osterwell. A lovely move down the right. And apart from that, not too much of action. Mostly a few fouls, a few set pieces which weren't delivered too well for Rymbai. This was a big chance for Bare. Didn't shoot it on target. Probably went for the pass when it wasn't required. Another good delivery which was flicked on by Bare, but that was a tough chance. A few headers over the top for Rangdajied as well. Lingdo getting involved as always in between the sticks. Few unnecessary fouls. This one was also close, but never going to trouble the keeper as such. Quite a few fouls, getting quite aggressive here. And ball, hands were to the body, but that's much better from Rymbai, and they can build on that. Oh, bit of space, brilliant pace. That is incredible from Aibang. Opens it up on the left-hand side, but good check. Short corner. Rangdajied haven't used too many of their set-piece tactics, but this one might work. It's headed in, and they've done it again. The set-piece specialists make it number 2, and it's their number 3, the super sub Aibang Nongneng, who probably does the job. Lovely bit of work there again, a well-worked set piece. Beautiful delivery from the skipper Buam, and what a header. You don't see a left-sided wing-back. Rymbai can't catch a break. All they've done is defended in the second half. At least they had a bit of possession in the first. Decent touch, and that is another save. This should be number 3. Game, set, and match. And top of the table confirmed for Rangdajied United. Bina denied, and then on the rebound, any other chances for them throughout the game perhaps. Lots of pushing and tugging, but still played in good spirit. In the first half, Rangdajied had a couple of good chances. Apart from the first goal, didn't really make it count, but in the second, they just turned on a switch, made a couple of substitutions, and that was enough to just outplay Rymbai. Here were the chances. Jymmang came in, the left back, and turned things on its head. Good opportunity from a few headers as well. Sten was good as always. This was the one which probably sealed it. Lovely ball from Kuneti Lang Buam, the skipper, who's had a top game. And